Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over and talking about is Tranot's newest bundle and also their newest promotion that they got going on for the month of January. So with that, we're going to dive right into this one. So as you can see, we actually are on their website right here, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what you see here and give you a little more context. So it's a new year, right? And 2022 2021 is out of here, so we're in 2022. New year. People used to say new me, but same me, just a better, improved me, hitting my goals. And Tranot actually, this is something I like about Tranot is that they are not just a health and wellness company, they are a health and financial education company, because it's not about, hey, yeah, we're just going to help you get better and get fit and all that stuff and feel better. We're going to show you a lot of things, help you save some money, help you manage your money, all that stuff like that. So as the first and only financial and health education company out here, I love this company, and the fact that they actually have all these amazing health products. They decided, hey, let's make a bundle so that people can achieve their goals this year. So with that, one of the most two common resolutions that people make are losing weight or get healthier and make more money. So we're going to talk about the health portion, because right here, this bundle is actually called the Goal Getter Bundle. And they actually have a promotion called the Goal Getter promotion. So for the month of the competition, I should say, the month of January, they're doing I think it's a 30-day run, 4-week track. What's gonna be is Go Getter Tracker, and you can actually request to be into their Facebook book group, Health, Wealth, and Community, and they're giving out prizes. So the grand prize is $1,000 for a giveaway. They're having weekly prizes, giving away some nice swag, products, all that good stuff like there, and I'm pretty sure some other things too. So if you actually want to participate in that, hey, there will be a link in the description, and also probably the comments that you can click on and submit your information to get basically into the Facebook group, so you can actually participate on this one. Now, who wouldn't want to be able to lose the weight that they want, get healthier, and earn some extra money for a competition? This is amazing. The fact that the grand prize is $1,000, and that is right there is just so cool, and weekly prizes as well. So we're going to go into what the bundle itself is going to include and why this is going to be benefiting you. So I actually have used all these products that you see here. Been using them. I've tried them separately, individually, but I'm about to use these products for and actually do it the way that Tranot tells me to do, because I'm ready to lose some weight. This quarantine weight has been packing on, and I am not liking it. I'm heavier, I'm slower, I'm sluggish, and I'm just tired of it. So guess what? I'm about to I'm participating in this Goal Getter challenge and going full force with it. It actually launched on the 4th of January 2022. That's when the promotion launched. Today is the 7th. So if you're seeing this a couple days late, but it's okay. You still can get on it. Doesn't matter. This is going to be a great way to kickstart your health goals, your resolutions for 2022. So what do you get with this? Why am I so excited about this? Why do I want you guys to see this? And why am I going to jump into this one? So pull me down a little bit right here. So the Goal Getter Bundle, you actually, this bundle includes 2 of the Nourish meals replacement supplements that they offer. Delicious, matter of fact. And what that does, also you get a bottle of Enrich and a jar of Mojo. So amazing products. Love these products. These products are great. So I actually have these, and I will be using all of them together for the Goal Getter Bundle. Now, these will help. Benefits that you get is improve gut skin connections, and supports focus and energy, optimizes digestion and nutrient absorption. That's amazing. And I've done videos about each individual product. I don't live. I mean, I will not go without Enrich at all. I'm telling you now. I panic when I get low on my Enrich because that's how much it helps me. That's how much I actually notice a difference in my digestion, just my overall health and my well-being, how I feel. That Enrich is no joke. I love it. So I do not live without that one. So Nourish is nice. I like that one. The taste is good, and it's a meal supplement. So it's a protein, so a good protein, and it's a very unique one. I will be putting out another video, more detail about why this is a unique product and why you should be taking this one if you are using a protein shake or a meal replacement shake or something like that, or anything like that for a meal replacement. You should be using this because this is actually going to help you in the long run in many ways in your overall health. Mojo, who doesn't like chocolate? You know, I mean, granted, I know some people are allergic to chocolate, but they have coffee too if you want coffee. They also have lemonade, but this one right here, we're talking about what's in this bundle. So this is amazing right here. The price for these is going to be, for retail, you're looking at, it was $213, but now they put on sale, so you're looking at $197 USD. And they do have an associate price. So if you actually are an associate, what you can do is with Tranot membership, associate yearly membership or associate with them, you actually get a discount. So $161.10. So that's pretty cool. And this is a sale, so the price will go back up most likely eventually if they decide to keep this bundle. Hey, I'm pretty sure if they're doing well with it, they'll probably keep it. So this is amazing. I wouldn't miss out on this one. To get all these together as a bundle is amazing for this sale price. So that's pretty cool. Now, why? What you want to ask is this is the benefits of the Goal Getter bundle. So right here, improve weight management any way you slice it. So this is actually made to focus on weight management, to lose shed those pounds, burn those calories, get going right, kickstart your life. Your resolutions, because I'm about to really kickstart this right here. So this is going to be great. So be able to have a meal replacement, a supplement, helps something with digestion. It's going to be great, and also a nice drink as well. So hey, this is going to be amazing. I'm not saying this is the only thing I'm going to be using. I mean, as in food wise, nutrients, I'm going to eat food, of course, but hey, this is going to be a great supplement to add to my regimen and get this going. So with that, with New Year comes new opportunities, change that can last a lifetime to help you stick with your goals. This year, we're offering a weight management bundle that is formulated for change. Man, this powerful trio delivers energy, focus, benefits with Mojo, delicious nutrients from Nourish, and digestive stability from Enrich to help support your weight management efforts and results. I can't wait for this one. I'm super juiced about this one because I've been wondering, like, okay, I want something that's going to actually help me lose weight, manage my weight, shed these pounds, these quarantine pounds, and just to feel overall healthier. I learned something yesterday that for every pound of fat that you have, it feels like 4 pounds on your body. So I was like, that just shocked the hell out of me. I was like, oh wow, okay. So I'm 100% honest with you and transparent. I'm at 296 right now. Not happy. My goal is to hit 220, 225, 220. I hit that, I'm happy. I've been there before. I can do it again. My knees hurt. If it wasn't for their glow and their was it optimized, I'd be in a lot of pain, and the CBD. But this has helped me a lot. I mean, I can't wait to get to this, to use this stuff and actually help kickstart everything. So that's gonna be cool. Triple threat combination for improved weight management. Successfully managing weight can be difficult. Absolutely, we all know that when we've been through that. And requires eating right, getting your body, especially your gut, in check, and most importantly, maintaining focus and determination day in and day out. Fortunately, for the success of your health goals, the Goal Getter bundle has products that specifically cater to each of these elements within the weight loss journey. Elevate your nutrients with Nourish, get your gut in gear with Enrich, and maintain your focus to drive with Mojo. Hot tip, starting February, you'll be able to, hey, they print this on subscription orders in February. You got a hot tip right there. There we go. So this is actually the first time that I will say that Tranot actually has said, hey, we're tackling weight loss. It's in right here. So this is cool. I love it. The fact that they're going for this and tackling this is not a magic pill. Nothing out there is a magic pill. You're not just going to go, take this and everything, like that's it. I can eat pizza and go eat all day and go eat McDonald's all day. No, you cannot do that. Make good choices, plain and simple. So this is they're here to help you. Can't wait for this one. This is going to be amazing. So I'm looking forward to it. Get started. Now, if you want to participate in this, awesome. I might be doing something too for my people who want to come along for the journey with me. Like I said, go ahead and submit your information. Click on the link and let's get going. Get your bundle from Tranot. Order it. Get going. You come on as a customer retail price, or you can get the discount price as an associate when you sign up as a membership associate for the year. So totally up to you. And that's actually $99, I believe. They had it's $99. They had a promotion last year, but this year is back to $99 for the whole year. So this is actually and is great. So if you're looking for this one, looking to lose some weight, this is for you. I can't wait to give testimonies and show the results that I'm getting for this one. Like I said, hey, if I can do weekly, I'll do weekly, but otherwise it will be like after a whole month. So with that, guys, if you have any questions or concerns about how to get this, about what's in this, why this is one of the best things out there, feel free to comment in the comments below or hit me up on my social media. That is in the description below too. Also, my cell phone, my personal number is actually in the description below. Text me, call me, let me know if you have any questions. I can answer that for you. But if you want to get going, if you want to join on this goal getter promotion, click the link right there in the description or in the comment section, and let's get going. Let's get you your bundle. Let's get you set up, and let's kill this. Let's get you end up running for that grand prize of $1,000. That's amazing right there, and these weekly giveaways. So yeah, guys. So if you haven't already, and this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that red button. And yep, that's the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that little bell and hit all. Because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to see a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a video. If you liked this last one, you got some value from it. So you might want to check out this one. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this. And yeah, hopefully you got some value with this one. And if you didn't, awesome. If you did, awesome. Until the next one, see you then. Be safe, take care, and be blessed.